YUME Predator Unboxing Guide. Lift the foam cover from the sides before take out the scooter. What's in the box? YUME bag and toolkit. User manual. 2 NFC keys and light remote. Mobile phone holder. Index finger throttle. Backup. Dampener. 2 chargers. Start adjusting the scooter. Install feet. Remove the top 2 screws at the kickstand mounting location. Align the kickstand with the screw holes and tighten the screws. Kickstand installation is now complete. Press the folding buckle. Lock folding mechanism. Adjust the handlebar placement bracket and loosen the handlebar screw and twist the direction forward. Adjust the handlebar placement bracket. Adjust the headlight to the proper position and tighten the screws. Tighten the display screws. Adjust the display button to a suitable position and tighten the screws. Adjust the switch for headlights and turn signals and horn to a suitable position and tighten the screw. Adjust the index finger throttle to a suitable position and tighten the screw. Adjust the left and right oil brakes to a suitable position and tighten the screws. Open the battery package. Loosen the deck cover screw and remove the deck plate. Carefully place the battery into the battery box of the scooter. Be sure not to pinch any wires. Connect the controller, power supply, and charging connectors as shown in the diagram above. Turn on the 2 load switches as indicated by the ON arrow to complete the battery wiring. Install the controller cover. Apply glue. Place waterproof pad. Close the cover and tighten the screws. Apply silicone pad. Install headlight. Install the YUME bag, gift. Align the rear fender bracket parallel to the screw holes, and then use the corresponding screws in the corresponding screw holes to install it. Align the rear fender bracket with the screw holes and tighten the screws. Keep the front of the scooter straight. First, we take out the tool for the dampener. Then use the tool to tighten the 2 screws of the bracket. Take out the dampener. We push the clamp of the dampener to a suitable position. Put the dampener in the correct position. Then tighten the screws with a tool. The distance between the 2 ends of the dampener, we take the same distance. After the installation is complete, it can be used normally. Start the scooter and check. Turn on the display and check that the following accessories are working properly: headlight, high beam, and headlight, low beam, turn signal, horn, check brake light, pedal light bar. Use 1 or 2 chargers to charge the scooter. Enjoy and ride safe.